Have you ever found yourself confounded by the intricacies of that W-4 document? Well, it's about time we unraveled its complexities, wouldn't you agree? Essentially, it's all about managing your tax deductions accurately. When executed correctly, you'll find yourself in a favorable position come tax time. However, if mishandled, you could be in for a bumpy journey. Now, there's no shortage of common errors to watch out for. These range from overclaiming allowances to neglecting updates after significant life changes. But fret not. We're here to guide you away from those stumbling blocks. Comprehending the purpose of the W-4 is paramount. It's not merely a mundane document, rather it's a crucial ally in safeguarding your financial stability. Handle it with care and it will reciprocate in kind. So, take a moment. Get to know your W-4. Make sure it's accurate. It's worth it, trust me. Because when you're in control of your tax withholding, you're in control of your future. And that, my friends, is how you master the W-4.